This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basic Googlefinance formula to fetch live market data into sheets. Use the form equals Googlefinance, symbol, attribute for a single value. Put the stock ticker in quotes like Apple or use a cell reference instead. Common attributes include price, name, market cap, and volume. Examples: equals Googlefinance, Apple, price, or equals Googlefinance, B2 name. Live quotes update approximately every 2 minutes, though exact timing varies with market and Google limits. Arrange results in a single cell or across columns for clarity. Pull historical prices using the extended syntax and specific date arguments. Use equals Googlefinance, symbol, attribute, start date, end date interval for a time series. Example: equals Googlefinance, Apple close date, 2024 1/1 date, 2024 12/31 daily. The function returns a 2-column table of dates and values. Interval accepts daily or weekly for fewer rows. You may put start and end dates in cells or use the date function for clarity. Historical results update slowly and respect Google data availability and market hours. Optimize usage by combining Googlefinance with index, VLOOKUP, filter, or query for specific results. For example, use index A2, B22 to pick the latest return price. Wrap formulas in IFR to present friendly messages when data fails. Cache key results in a separate sheet or use app script to limit calls and respect quota. Build dynamic dashboards by feeding tickers from a column range instead of hard-coding. Monitor for delayed data, unsupported exchanges, and occasional missing attributes that require fallback logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.